Good morning, dear students. Our lesson today is visual pattern. Miss Hiba, the teacher of math of grade 4, showed the students in the class some figures. Each figure forms a pattern. Like you see in front of you, we have a heart and we have a triangle. The pattern is heart, triangle, heart, triangle. The student said, "What lovely patterns." The teacher said, "We can also form patterns using numbers and figures as 12, 23, 34, 45, 56. The tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the units, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And we can also form patterns with the figures, like this one, the rectangle or the square in front of you, and the happy face. Square, happy face, square, happy face, and so on. What is a pattern? A pattern is a sequence of numbers or figures arranged according to a certain system or rule. Like we have here, 1, 3, 5, 7 is a pattern. Its rule is adding plus 2. So if I'm going to add 1 plus 2, it will give me 3. 3 plus 2, give me 5. 5 plus 2, give me 7. And 7 plus 2, give me 9, and so on. Here we have ABC, then ABC, then ABC is a pattern. Its rule is repeating the ABC every time. Now we have two arrows, one looking down and one to the right. Down, right, down, right is a pattern, and its rule is repeating the arrows one down and one right. Now in your school book, we have 13.2, 13.4, 13.6. Then I want to find the next pattern. How I'm going to do this? I can recognize the difference between the numbers is 0.2. Otherwise, I can subtract 13.6 minus 13.4. The big number minus the small number. The answer is going to be the key, which is 0.2. Now I'm asking myself, is the number getting bigger or getting smaller? 13.2 became 13.4, became 13.6, so it's getting bigger. So I'm going to add the 0.2. Again, the 0.2 is the difference between 13.6 and 13.4. Now, I'm going to write the 0.2 under the last number I have. Then I'm going to add 6 plus 2 equal 8. 3 plus 0 equal 3, and 1 plus 0 equal 1. And don't forget to write the decimal point. Again, I'm going to repeat the pattern. So I'm going to repeat the rule, plus 0.2. Here, what I'm going to add, 8 plus 2 equal 10. I'm not going to write the whole 10. I'm going to write only the 0. Then I'm going to carry up 1 next to the units digit. 1 and 3 equal 4, and 1 plus 0 equal 1. So the answer is going to be 14.0. You are going to write it like this. Why? Because when I'm going to repeat adding 0.2, I'm going to put the decimal point under the decimal point and 2 under the 0, and then the 0 under the 4, and add, and so on. Here we have 10, then 9.6, 9.2, and so on. Now I need to know the rule I'm going to complete with. I need to know the pattern I have is getting bigger or getting smaller. So first I'm going to get the rule. I'm going to subtract or find the difference between the last two numbers. 9.6 minus 9.2. Make a draft and find the answer. It's going to be 0.4. Now I'm going to put the 0.4 under the last number I have. Then I'm going to ask myself, the numbers is getting bigger or getting smaller? Excellent, getting smaller. So I'm going to subtract. Now I'm going to subtract 2 minus 4. Can I? Of course no. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the digit 9. So it became 8 and the 2 became 12. Now subtract 12 minus 4 equal 8. Excellent. And then 8 minus 0 equal 8. Then I'm going to repeat the same rule again. Minus 0.4. So I'm going to subtract 8 minus 4 equal 4. And 8 minus 0 equal 8. And I'm going to repeat again the rule minus 0.4, and the answer is going to be 80.2. 8.0. Now, the last example, AB, ABB, ABBB. Then the pattern is going to be repeated again. AB, ABB, and then ABBB. Then I'm going to repeat again, starting from AB, then ABB. So don't forget, if the number is getting bigger, I'm going to add the key. Yes, excellent. From where I'm going to get the key? Subtract the last two numbers. Don't forget, you are going to subtract the small number from the biggest number. Okay. And if the number is getting smaller, I'm going to subtract the key. The key I'm going to find from the difference of the last two numbers. Okay? Then your homework, booklet page 31. Thanks a lot.